Okay, this is just a quick video to show you how to get the equation editor on your screen and how to use it. So if you just open up any quiz or any practice, and this is how they all are. To open up your equation editor, if this is all you see, click this button here, and all of this will pop up. And then you can click this f of x right here, and another window will pop up, and you can use this to type things in. If you're going to use a fraction, use this. If you need to do roots, everything is right here for you need. If you can still type stuff in, so like you can type in an equal and a plus and a minus and everything just using the keyboard, that's fine. If you're going to use fractions, make sure you use this one and not the other one. If you need exponents, you can do this and it'll pop it up there. When you're done, just hit accept and you can move on. So that's how you type into Equation Editor. If you have questions, please ask.